Calibration is the comparison of the instrument's output against the known standard of measurement. For a load cell, it is the comparison of the load cell output against the standard test loads. Calibration ensures the sensor is performing accurately and set for ideal output based on the capacity and configuration of the design. Calibration tests are run to identify any potential measurement errors, and to determine accuracy of a load cell, caused by zero offset, nonlinearity, hysteresis, non-repeatability, and shifts from zero. Why calibrate? Calibration is important based on many different factors, including continued performance, safety, and compliance with ISO or industry-specific standards. Interface's standard recommended calibration interval is to calibrate every 12 months. The frequency of calibration should be determined by the following use case factors that may affect measurement accuracy: measurement quality and allowable tolerance range, level of stress to which the equipment is subjected, stability of past calibrations, required measuring accuracy, quality assurance requirements. Interface provides calibration and repair services on load cells and torque transducers, including devices made by other sensor manufacturers. This includes new products as well as devices sent to Interface for recalibration and repair. Repairs include a complete evaluation of the device prior to repair and calibration upon completion. Here are some other benefits for choosing Interface as a calibration services partner. ISO 170H25 accredited. Scheduled repairs for ongoing inventory management. Custom calibration services. RMA tracking and permanent archive of test data. NMI certified gold and platinum standard reference load cells. Interface gold standard calibration software used for data collection and analysis. Full service machine shop for any mechanical requirements. What is shunt calibration? Shunt calibration is a technique for simulating strain in a piezo-resistive strain gauge Wheatstone bridge circuit by shunting one leg of the bridge. The bridge may be internal to a discrete transducer or composed of separately applied strain gauges. The resulting bridge output is useful for calibrating or scaling instrumentation. Such instrumentation includes digital indicators, amplifiers, signal conditioners, AD converters, PLCs, and data acquisition equipment. Care must be taken to understand the circuits and connections, including extension cables, in order to avoid measurement errors. Benefits of shunt calibration. The biggest reason to use shunt calibration is the flexibility and low cost it offers the user. In this method of calibration, the bridge circuit is already there, and you don't need to make and break cable connections to run it. This means that a shunt calibration can be applied conveniently and at any time during the test program. It is often used in situations where the user is calibrating control system equipment that will be communicating with a transducer or to confirm that the transducer is functioning properly. Calibration services process. We begin the calibration service process with our technical services group who manage the request and RMA process, in addition to evaluation and troubleshooting. We evaluate all products at our headquarters with our team of experts. The sensor goes through a thorough inspection process to identify any necessary repairs and to ensure device is in working condition in preparation of a calibration. This includes an electrical test. Based on the extensive evaluation, if the device is found to be unrepairable, there is no charge. We also will work to find a replacement unit. All work beyond the evaluation is sent to the customer for approval. The final step in our calibration services process is the actual calibration. Our calibration team is considered the most experienced in the industry due to the sheer volume of work product they calibrate every day. Interface also is heavily invested in conducting all our calibrations with the most advanced equipment, including our proprietary gold standard and platinum standard systems. These machines ensure that the transducers are calibrated to the most accurate ability possible before returning to the customer. Interface Gold Standard Calibration Systems, using gold or platinum standard load cells. 1800 Platinum Standard Calibration Load Cell. 1600 Gold Standard Calibration Load Cell. 1601 Gold Standard Calibration Compression Only Load Cell. 1606 Gold Standard Low Capacity Calibration Load Cell. Interface certifies all our load cells with accredited calibration before releasing the product for shipment. Interface is ISO IEC 17025, 2017 and A2 law accredited for torque and force calibration in accordance with the recognized international standard ISO IEC ISO 170H25, 2017. Certificate information includes tabulated measurement variables data, zero balance, computed nonlinearity and hysteresis, and traceability statements.